Oh, hello. I wasn't expecting you. Come on in. Welcome to my crib. All jokes aside, hey y'all. Okay, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing my long promised dorm tour. It's a really small dorm this year, so I'll also include some tips on how to make the most of your space. This is water. We're clean, we're good, we're fresh. We're ready to start this, so come on in. Over there, I have a key ring with an A on it that I got from Five Below. I love it, and I lose my keys a lot, so it helps me. I also will have a roommate. She moves in tomorrow. I don't know who she is, what she looks like. It'll be a fun little, like, Jack-in-the-Box surprise. If she sees this, I'm excited to meet you girls, so come on into the bedroom. So here's the room. Come on in, come a little closer. You don't have to be shy. I guess we can start with the back of the door. So here's all my shoes. I knew that this room was gonna be small, so I decided to get an over-the-door shoe rack because it would like maximize space. And I got this one for a pretty good price from Bed Bath & Beyond. All my shoes are up here, beautiful. Like they just look so good up there. I think I only have about 4 pair that aren't up there right now. So moving on from the rack, we have my dirty clothes hamper along with my desk, and then Bethany got me this beautiful poster, Clueless poster. It's one of my favorite movies, and it has a quote on it. It has Cher looking like the Statue of Liberty in her Aliyah dress, and it says, "May I please remind you that it does not say RSVP on the Statue of Liberty." So it's right. When I come in, I get a little knowledge from Cher every day. So here's my desk. So I wanted it to be like more of a glamorous desk instead of like your classic student's desk, because I'm etched out all the time. The first thing that I want to show you is this beautiful sheet of print record player, okay? And it not only plays like 45s and small ones, it plays like really big records too. And it also has a Bluetooth on it for if I want to connect my phone. And then I also have my little iPad mini here. And then my laptop, which has an array of Redbubble stickers on it. And you can just get a little peek into my interests just by looking at that. And then I've got this crucifix, because I love the Lord. I've also got the Kevin Cohn book, Making Faces. Let me just show you guys. So this book is a makeup book, because Kevin Cohn was like the only person who really knew how to do makeup for a long time. And so he did all the celebrity makeup, and it's amazing. Like, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So I have this. I got it at a Second and Charles for pretty cheap, because usually it's like goes for like 30 bucks. I think I got it for like 7. And next to Kevin, we have this beautiful frame picture of Bethany and I at the Reputation concert, which you guys saw. We're just kind of looking at Taylor, waiting on her to come out. And then behind that, we have like this portfolio thing that I don't really use, but I think it's cute. And then I have like a Dream Girls program there from when I saw it at the Springer. And then I've got my Amy Winehouse. Oh no, she drunk. So she falls over a lot because she's had a past. But we don't judge her, do we? No.
Nope, you're spilling your water.
Ooh. Oh my god. Okay.
She's drunk.
She's drunk. She's had a little too much. So there's Amy. And then here is my like markers and pens and pencils and all the boring stuff you need for school. And then I also have a ruler that I just bought at Target yesterday because it's really cute. And I do a lot of crafts, so I like to like have a good straight edge on me. And then I have like a pair of sunglasses. Peppa Pig, because me and Hannah love Peppa Pig. Like, we live for her. I have this Bose Bluetooth speaker that I like low-key stole from my dad. And I got this lamp at Ross, and it's beautiful. And the light bulb is so bright, but it's beautiful. And then I got this mirror at Walmart that I love. Hi, it's us. Bethany's filming. So my favorite thing over here is my calendar, which I've had a Marilyn Monroe calendar every year since 2013. And then I always write down one thing that happens each day. And so you can like fill up the years and look back on them and read them at the end of the year. It's the best. Do that, because you just get to look back and compare years, and that's fun. So now I'm gonna lead you to the closet. We're gonna move this chair. All right, so here's my closet. Now, these dorms, since they're so small, they didn't come with like an actual no sir. Yeah, you. They didn't have like closets with doors. I knew that they gave me one rack, but you can actually get these really cool racks down here from Bed Bath & Beyond that make your closet have 2 racks. So that's how I created that. So on the top I have like tops, on the side I have rompers, and on the bottom I have dresses and skirts and a couple of jackets, because I didn't bring all my jackets because it's hot and like I'm not gonna need them right now. And then up here I have all my handbags. I have my guest book bag that I bought specifically for the Reputation concert, but they didn't let us bring bags that big in, so I had to check it. But I know I'll use her again. And then up here is stuff for my head, so like hats, scarves, this like fur thing I wear in the wintertime a lot. And then that is a Dolly Parton quote that it costs a lot of money to look this cheap that Hannah painted for me to put in my closet. And then right here are these pinup girls from a pinup calendar that I had that the pictures were too cute for me like not to reutilize. So I just took a few of them and a few of my favorite ones and put them up here. And then above the bathroom door, I have a poster that I got from the Reputation concert that I was telling y'all about in the vlog. I love that poster. They literally made one for every city. I'm gonna frame it, don't worry. Like, I'm framing that girl. So now, I guess since we're at the door, I'll take you to the bathroom. So come on in. I hope he's not pooping. Okay, so I already apologized for the loud fan. Like, it's so, it's so loud. When you first come in, you just kind of see the mirror. I have my Disney ears right by the mirror to just kind of give me a little bit of magic when I when I wake up and do the day. I have this sign that I got from Burlington that says too glam to give a damn, because like you made me laugh. So then right here, one of my favorite things in my room is this bulletin board. The bulletin board itself I got from Ross. I just go to Ross. Like every day, go to Ross. So I have this Heather thing because Bethany, Ronnie, and I are the Heathers, and I'm Yellow Heather. So I had Heather written out in yellow because I am Yellow Heather. And then I have a Marilyn Monroe like baseball card. I got it from a thrift store. I have a couple of them, but this one was my favorite. And then I have a picture of my dad when he was in the army. And then I have this that came in my Ipsy bag. And then this pin that broke that says Slay. And then my Disney pin, my Yin and Yang. I have like a Friends game card right there. It came with like photo cards, so I just put it on there. My favorite princess, Tiana, on there. And then a glamorous picture of me. And then Cicero, which is a Chicago reference. I have a Polaroid of me, Bethany, and Caitlin when we went to Helen. What is this? Souvenir confetti from the Reputation jar. Obviously, I'm repping Reputation quite a lot. This picture is so cute of my nieces, Harley and Hayden. They're so cute. I don't know whose idea that was, but it was a great idea. So yeah, that's all that. And moving on. I have this big salon chair that is kind of inconvenient sometimes, but I love it too much. And guess where I got it? Ross! So I feel like I'm really like cheery that people are gonna think this is actually alcohol. It's just water. I swear to you, it's just water. So this is my shower curtain. I got it from Walmart. I love it. And my bath mat I also got from Walmart. And since this dorm doesn't have bathroom counters or anything, I bought this like rolly cards thing to like makeshift be my storage in my room. So I have like all my makeup right here, just about, in these acrylic drawers, and behind it I have like Q-tips, and then here's some of my makeup brushes. And then in this first drawer I have makeup palettes, and the second drawer is accessories and jewelry. The third drawer is like skincare and body stuff. And the last drawer is hair stuff. That's great. And then I have my makeup bag just kind of sitting beside it. And then here's all my cat's stuff that he needs to live. And then now we're back in front of the mirror. Down here I have like edge control and like a face brush, my deodorant, my toothpaste toothbrush, my phone. And then I have my acne wash, my lotion. This spray I got in my Ipsy bag. It's not perfume. It's like neutralizer, like a fragrance neutralizer, and you kind of put it in your hair and stuff to kind of like, I don't know. And I have other makeup brushes right here. I have like a face wash, or not face wash, a face mask applier right here. So this thing keeps it from like not getting all over your hands, which is a lifesaver because I get that all over my hands. And then I have a rose candle that I can't light because we can't light candles in here. And I wouldn't want to light it anyway. And I got this from the Dollar Tree. It's cute. Nail polishes, a mini nail polish remover, which this is the best brand of nail polish remover. It gets it off so fast. It's amazing. And then I've got cherry blossom soap right here. And that's the bathroom. Oh wait. This right here. So I have these hooks that I got from Five Below, and on it I have a robe, a nice silky robe that I got from Fashion Nova, and a snakeskin umbrella that I got from Ross. Oh my gosh, someone damaged the door. We'll have to report that. So that was the bathroom. This I didn't really know what to do with because it was here and I had other stuff, so I just figured why not just like decorate this. I have my pop of Tiana. I love pop figures, y'all. We live for pop figures. A charger port. I have my Polaroid camera that's in this case. Ooh, I have lipstick on my nails. It's still on there. And then I've got a few Cosmos. The rest are outside, but my favorite is mine with Queen Cardi B on the front. Yeah, I love Cardi B. I love Invasion of Privacy. Like, Cardi B. And I have this beautiful picture from my Galentine's Day party last year. So every year I throw a Galentine's Day party, and now I call it Guys and Galentines because it's for single people. Hopefully, I would love to throw another one this year. If not, that'd be great.
I can't go.
Yeah, you can't go.
Dang.
Bethany just realized she can't.
What the heck?
Maybe when I get a boyfriend, I'll throw us a couples party.
There we go. Maybe you'll have a boyfriend before then.
You know.
Then you can't throw a Galentine's
Yeah,
party.
I won't have one if I can't.
I literally was like,
you're like,
wait a
yay,
minute.
the party! Like, wait. Then I have these boots that I wore to the concert, which I didn't set them aside because of that. I just didn't have anywhere to put them.
It's a little dark in that corner, so you can't see them
you can't
very
really
well.
See them. I have this Marilyn Monroe like jewelry holder that I still wanted to bring because it's so cute. And it was a yard sale find for $3. It was great. And then I have like my perfume here. My Kim Kardashian perfume is my favorite. And then Lola by Marc Jacobs. And then another Kim Kardashian called True Honey. And then this book that's called A Matter of Style. That's like a book of style icons. And then on the back wall, I have Polaroids of different people and things that I love. And even myself.
You have two of just you.
Oh, two of just me. Right there I have this vintage sort of metal thing that I got from Joey Surf Mall of Marilyn Monroe. So now we're at the bed. So a tip for you people with picky taste like myself. I was having the worst don't you dare. Hands up! No. Anyway, so I was having the worst trouble finding a comforter for my bed because it's a twin extra long and like they didn't have any cute ones that I wanted. So a tip is just buy a full-size comforter and the back is really long, but no one will see that. Like, no one will see it. Oh my god, I just told you. No. So Handsome decided to come be in the video. Handsome really likes the bed. I was kind of worried because it was really high up, so he wasn't gonna be able to like get up here, I thought. But he found a way. You parrot. Alright, I gotta show him the bed now. You gotta go. So here's my pillows. So I've got a few that I kept and a few new ones. This one I kept, I got it off like Amazon or somewhere. This is a new one. It's obviously not a real Louis Vuitton pillow. Nobody got time for that. So I got this off Etsy. And if you ever want like a design, I know the same lady. She sells like Chanel and Prada ones. Oh my god. Handsome! This pillow is also from Amazon that I kept. This one is as well. This back one came with my sham, and then the back one's just a black pillowcase. And there's Handsome, enjoying himself. And that cat I got from like Walgreens that I snuggle with all the time. Under it is a reversible blanket that is, bam, cheetah print. And then I have this rose wrapped around my bed. Up there is a tapestry that I got from, I think, Refinery 29. and it is a play off the phrase bite the bullet. And then I have this black dry erase board, which, let me just say, if you're gonna make black dry erase boards, I need you to make white dry erase markers, because they don't. That's a chalk marker that I have to wipe off every day. They don't make white dry erase markers. I've been looking everywhere. I looked at Michael's. I looked everywhere. They don't make them. This is a quote from Suicide Squad about Harley Quinn. We're almost done. We're at the television. So I have a TV right here, my love and companion. Then I have my Dion Pup figure right here. Her so much. And then under it is a Coach box that I don't know what's in here, but it's not in here. You know what? Let's check it out. Oh, it's just random jewelry that I don't wear. But it's a real Coach box that a wristlet came in that my aunt got me for Christmas. And I have the Holy Bible right by the bed. Someone left this stain though. I don't appreciate that. I really don't appreciate that at all. And then here's my like TV remote, DVD remote, a mirror that, okay, so we host ThesCon at our school, and this mirror, like we have like vendor booths, and this mirror was on somebody's vendor booth. I asked her, I was like, oh my God, this is so cute. I wish I could have it. She was like, yeah, take it. But apparently it's from the Dollar Tree. And if you hold it, you would like really be able to see it's from the Dollar Tree, because it's like really light, but I like it. And then here I have a picture of the OG3, my friends back from my hometown, me, Jessica and Jordan. Great picture of us. This one we went to go see Mamma Mia 2 at Studio Movie Grill. It was great. And then above it, I have this picture of Marilyn Monroe. This is a still from her movie, The 7-Year Itch, which is one of my favorite movies of hers. The same picture is in that calendar. So one time I had, I don't remember what month, I think it was April, my birthday month. I think the same picture was like 2 places in my room, which was like kind of funny. I guess I'll take you to the rest of the room now. We can go. Are you hungry? Let's go to the kitchen. Does the MTV people feel this awkward? So this is the quote unquote kitchen, because my room doesn't come with like a full function kitchen. We get a mini fridge and a microwave and a pantry. This is the couch. I haven't fully decorated out here because my roommate's not here yet, and I don't want to like completely take over. And then this is a puzzle picture. It's Bethany's puzzle, but I took the picture.
I don't know where the puzzle's at.
You don't?
No.
Oh, well.
It wasn't there when I went to PAC last year. I thought you had it.
No, I didn't take it. What happened to the puzzle?
I don't know.
I took the picture though.
Well.
Because I like the picture. On this side, I have a picture of Handsome that my friend Sam took. Same Sam from the drag show. He won't let me forget that he won. It says love is a 4-legged word. And it's handsome. I think this is meant for a dog, but hey.
Hey, cats have 4 legs too.
Bloop. And then I have Dwight from The Office. I got that from Goodwill, so go to Goodwill. And then I have the rest of my cosmos down here that I haven't really quite done much with. And here is the kitchen table. And this big martini glass I got from Ross. Look, it looks like a mom and a baby. Not quite, but
From Big Mama.
That's grandmama. That's they call her Big Mama. And my mom put fruit in here. She thought it was so clever. It was so cute. Up here I have this beautiful canvas of Disney princesses. It doesn't have my favorite on it, but that's okay. And in the pantry, I don't feel bad showing you this because none of my roommate stuff is in here yet. I have like Handsome's litter and food and broom and toilet paper, and then like my snacks and like my medicine, because I don't have a medicine cabinet, so I just put it in here. That's basically it. And my Keurig right here. And dishes in the sink, which is embarrassing. That was basically it. This is my room. I think we're gonna get on. The only problem is I don't have any windows in my room, so I never know what time it is. So I can wake up and I'm like, is it 5 a.m. or is it noon? Wow. I promise it's just water. I'm just clumsy. Part of me wants to give it to Hanson to prove that it's just water, but I'm not gonna do that. But then that'll make people suspicious. I promise I'm not. I'm not drinking. So yeah, that was my room. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment. It can even be a hate comment. I don't mind. Anything you want. On Cribs, they say get the hell out, but I'm not gonna say that because I love you guys. I kind of want you to stay, but you can't. I love you. Bye.